may actually show you how I made this roof and fire tune, you know, G. It's a mad one. Fuck. Ah, it's a crazy tune, you know, crazy tune. What does that with anyway? Oh yeah, the trumpet. Yeah, that's how I came about with this melody. Ah, stupid. Yeah. So I came about with this melody. That's the main one. I was just downstairs and I was thinking, nah, I've got a melody. After that I was just thinking, drum and bass, rudimental. You know what I mean? I came about this kick. Oh no. You know what? I was actually listening to Skepta's tune, Skepta, Jammer and Lazy. It's called Fast Life. I don't know if you've heard of it. I don't have an example of it, but it's trap grime. Do you know what I mean? And I just thought of making a kick, disgusting kick. This is what I came up with. Just listen to it. Just listen to it. This one. Yeah. Yeah, that shit. I just made that shit up. Came the drum and bass kick. You know what I mean? Right. Stupid logic. Yeah. It sounds off. It sounds weird without the hats and that. You know what I mean? Then snare. I mean, like congas and that cymbals. Then you got your drum and bass going on. You know what I mean? Like simple as, and then the you got the melody running already. You know what I mean? So they came. You know what I mean? It's just simple melody. I swear I made the beat up. The beat has 4 instruments, apart obviously from the congas and the kicks and the it was just 4 instruments, 4 synths basically. You know what I mean? And it wasn't really a long process though, but I worked around it and I made a tune. I believe it's a banger. But yeah, we just play like a small part of the tune. I hope it plays properly.
Raise your glasses in the air, phones in the air, hands in the air, lighters in the air. Fire!
Oh shit!
Raise your glasses in the air, phones in the air,
hear that kick, hear that kick.
Hands in the air, lighters in the air.
It wasn't rocket science, you know what I mean, when I was making this tune. Like, it was just plain simple, straightforward synths and, you know what I mean, simple notes. I didn't have to play any chords or, you know what I mean, like, oh, the sound. I could actually make a beat off that, you know that.
Yeah, you can, yeah.
I actually can make a beat off that, yeah. Yeah, man, but I mean, I actually say the tune is hard. Shot the video with Gersham. Sick nigga. Sick, but he's holding it down. Yeah, man. Bare people at the video though. Bare people at the video shoot. Yeah, man. Sound is actually hard. Oh yeah, let me play you something like, oh shit. Let me play you something me and one of my session artists made, and where's that? Oh yeah. Yeah. I need to play you the keys she played on it. The keys. Sick. Oh, you see that clip is already done, you know, fam. It's done uploaded now.
Oh, sick.
Yeah. Oh shit. Let me play this shit for you real quick. You need to listen to it. Hey, fam, this girl is sick. Listen to this. Listen to the keys here. Fam. This is the next keys. Listen to the next keys. Listen.
Beautiful sound.
Yeah, fam. Let me repeat that section. Yeah. Bare reverb in that. Let's make it sound dirty. IMVAIZE. Oh! Where the kick in the snare at? That's the kick. Let it knock, let it knock, let it knock. I'm gonna kill this. I'm gonna kill this. Oh shit. IMVAIZE.
Oh.
Hear that shit? He was not, he found the damn made it. He was, wait, listen to it. Do you know what I mean? I feel like something. Alright, if you don't someone well. That would be sick, you know. I was singing that melody underneath the tune. One second. You know what? Oh shit.